Hey, thanks so much for tuning in. In today's video, it's going to be my first time ever doing freezer meals or meal prep for the whole family. If this is your first time on my video, hey, my name is Miss Christian. This channel is all about self-sufficiency, motherhood, and just elevating all the way together. So if that is something you are interested in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. I also want to apologize for the quality of this video. The lighting is just horrible. My Android really failed me. So yes, I definitely do want to apologize for that. All the recipes will be down in the description box.
What can I do? You're so loving and gentle to the core. What can I do when you fill me with happiness and much more? What can I do? You're so stunning, I just can't look away. What can I do?
I know you cannot see what I'm writing, but I'm just writing what is going to be in the bag. A tip was to write what you're doing on the bag before you actually start putting the ingredients. In there is easier.
Keep it burning, baby, got this fire on my head. When you're not here, my heart is screaming out your name. Feels like a heart attack and you can fix the pain. Without you, I will never be the same again. It's you running through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. Your love runs through my veins. I'll never be the same. Your love runs through my veins. Put your hands gently on my face. What can I do? If there's tears, you kiss them all away. What can I do? There's no way I could ever walk away. What can I do? I should know by now you make my day. Never more will dreams expire. Keep it burning, baby, God.
So I do like to clean my meats. You can just use water. You can put a little salt in your water. But I like to get like underneath the skin and get all like that extra slime and stuff that be in the chicken. Also, you don't know who hands was packaging the chicken as well. So I like to give everything a good rinse before we eat it.
Without you, I will never be the same again. It's you running through my veins. Your love.
I did have regular bone-in chicken thighs, and then I also had boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So I didn't take the skin off of that chicken thigh. I actually have two different kinds.
Your love runs through my veins.
So traditionally, you're supposed to use rice vinegar for the acid, but as long as you have all equal parts of your acid, your sugar, and your soy sauce or whatever replacement you're going to use for it is fine. So you've seen me use pineapple juice. In this video, I use lemon juice for my acid, and then I use a sugar replacer, and then I use coconut aminos. So that's just a tip for people who maybe don't know how to make teriyaki sauce. The base is in all equal parts. So I did 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup. You can always double that if you have more family to cook for.
Another one, and another one. I think you was the one I loved. 7 wonders all in one, all in one. Don't let the street lights hit you all alone. You know it's dangerous to go alone. Let the street lights hit you. Can I be your player too? I'll follow wherever you go, whatever you do. Player too. If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far. So far, so far. If a paper crane can fly, then forever doesn't feel that far. So far, so far. If a paper crane can fly, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on, fly on.
Just so y'all know, me and Mr. Ziploc was fighting, honey. This, like, it kept on opening up. The stuff kept on trying to spill out. I had to keep catching it. I end up double bagging everything. I try to be like the YouTubers who do this, and they just mix everything in the bag and shake it back and forth. That was not working for me at all without double bagging it and holding it tight before I mixed it. So
I'll be the one you trust. You're all that
Oh yeah, this could all be over. We're not okay. Shattered glass everywhere. Tears of rage. Waiting for the rain to stop and take my pain away. Why'd you have to be that mean? Why'd you do me that way? We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouettes. Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Is this over?
So I'm cutting all the peppers long ways, and it's completely fine for you to leave them like this if you want to. Since I have small children, I'm going to start to dice mine a little bit smaller, but like I said, you can stop at this step if you want to.
Just wanna let it all go. Waiting for a new day when I won't feel no pain. You will have to let me go so I can be myself again. We should know that we won't be any better. Can't you see that we are drifting apart? I am through trying to hold us together. I just want it to stop, want it to stop. No. Smoke spirals off your cigarette. Door slammed to figure silhouette. Come on, say, is this over? Oh, is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? This be over now? Is this over now? Now is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now? Say, is this over? Hey, say, is this over? Is it over? Can this be over now? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Is this over? Can this be over now?
And I just want to come on here and thank the ones who have been supporting my channel and continue to support my channel. And also thank you to everyone who has stopped on this channel for the first time. I hope you did hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. This is my first time prepping, like I said, for the family, and so I'm learning as I go. I'm kind of just thinking, how would I do things on a bigger scale, and then how would they recook. So we'll see how everything cooks, and if I'm able to, I'll show you a video of one of the dinners that I made from this meal prep. But yes, like, we all have to try new things and things that we see on social media and we're like, oh my god, like, they're so talented, or how did they learn how to do this? It's like, you just start somewhere. If you mess up, you mess up, and you learn from it and you keep going. Like, don't beat yourself up over such small things, over messing up a meal prep. Like, that's not a big deal. You just start over and you do something else. So you guys got to see everything from detail, from beginning to end, and I hope that this video definitely helped you with wanting to try something new in your kitchen. So I'll be quiet and let you continue to watch, because this video is definitely not over. We have a few minutes left until then. So this first time freezer meal prep took me 2 hours. Probably if I wasn't filming, it might have only have been like an hour and a half. And I was like, I don't think I'm gonna ever do this again because it just took too long. But I tell you, like, once I actually was able to just go and grab a meal and put it in the oven to cook and have no stress about what's for dinner, like, just taking that extra time out of my day to do this definitely makes it more easier through the week. So I am so excited. I hope you guys are going to do it as well and get your preps going on, get your food storage together. And you know that we're having an October challenge, and so I will be going on live with a few of you guys, and I hope that you really join in on this challenge. If you don't want to join in, that you tune in, but for the winners who actually join in, you will be getting a prize at the end of this challenge. So it was a hit with my little family, but to be honest, some things I would change is I would probably just use the rice wine vinegar instead of lemon. Like, the lemon, I can really taste it, or I will probably use less lemon because last time I used pineapple and I wanted it to have a pineapple flavor. This time it definitely did have a lemon flavor. So if you don't care about it having a lemon flavor, keep it the way it is. The other thing that I would change is I would not use the swerve for the brown sugar replacement. I would either just use plain brown sugar, or I would double the amount of the monk fruit sweetener, which I had to do to make it sweet, to make it sweeter. The swerve, I really don't care for. It leaves a kind of aftertaste and it's just not sweet at all. So another thing that I would change is I would not add the veggies into the marinade to freeze. I would just cook the chicken, and then once the chicken is almost done, then I would add the veggies into the pan. This last thing that I would change is I would not add the corn starch slurry to the freezer bag. I would either cook the teriyaki sauce on the stove, get it to how I want it, cool it all the way down, and then pour it into the bag, or I will cook the chicken thighs in the marinade in the oven how I did, and then once the chicken is finished and the veggies is finished, then I will add the slurry to that to thicken up the sauce. This is Miss Christian. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, everybody. Bye.